UNP Polyvalves, a global market leader, an indigenous yet modern entity and a company that envision quality par excellence. UNP Polyvalves has been redefining its own benchmark in manufacturing corrosive application valves and piping systems for more than 3 decades. Incepted in the year 1988 and ever since aiming for the highest level of customer satisfaction, UNP is committed to high performance and par excellence quality. The plant at Pore, Gujarat, India is an example of highly advanced and contemporary state-of-the-art infrastructure that has latest molding and extrusion technology with highest capacity to manufacture valves and piping systems up to 92-inch and having largest capacity molding machines. The factory is spread across an expanse of more than 210,000 square feet area with a workforce of more than 200 skilled, knowledgeable and experienced team members who integrate core functionality element of quality with reliability. The leaders of the company are exceedingly well informed, educated, competent and technically as well as administratively experienced entrepreneurs having engineering and management background and also an in-depth understanding of importance of each factor in the business. UNP Polyvalves, which boasts of a wide range of corrosive application valves and piping systems in both options of fluoropolymer lined and solid plastics. Started with manufacturing of ball valves only up to 2-inch. Today, it has wide product range of valves and piping systems up to the size of 92-inch, that is 2300 mm diameter. To meet the requirement of customers, UNP has developed the products which are divided in different categories such as line valves, manual and control, solid plastic valves, manual and control, lined and solid plastic pipes and fittings, as well specialty products for corrosive applications. The technical expertise that UNP beholds and an understanding and knowledge of physical process parameters. UNP acts as an aid in resolving corrosion problems related to valves and piping systems in industries having most aggressive and corrosive applications across the globe. UNP Polyvalves offers one-stop solution for corrosive and aggressive application valves and piping systems for chlor-alkali projects, steel industries, mining and refineries, pharma and bulk drug, water and wastewater plants and other chemical-related plants in the world markets such as North America, Latin America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, etc. UNP holds the credibility and faith of more than 1,200 industrial customers across the globe and has been approved by leading project consultants. Some prominent names include the mission of UNP stands solid to become the preferred choice for the corrosion problem solution on a global level. Constantly engaged in advancement through in-depth studies and research, we at UNP Polyvalves validate faith in corrosion-free industrialization and technologically advanced solutions across the global market. UNP Polyvalves, valves and piping solutions for the corrosive applications.